With YouTube TV, you can pause or cancel your YouTube TV membership at any time. To cancel your YouTube TV membership from your computer, visit tv.youtube.com, go to Settings, and select Membership. Under YouTube TV Membership, click Deactivate Membership, and then Pause or Cancel Membership. Pausing allows you to stop payments for a set period of time. To cancel your YouTube TV membership from your Android device, tap your profile photo, go to Settings, and select Membership. Under YouTube TV Membership, click Deactivate Membership, and then Pause or Cancel Membership. If you signed up on an iOS device, either contact Apple support to cancel your membership or cancel on your own using the iTunes Subscription Manager. If you signed up for YouTube TV via iTunes, the pause option is not available. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.